German industrial output in August fell by 4% compared to July, which is a much bigger drop, nearly 3 times bigger than was expected, and is the largest decline since February 2009, which was the height of the global financial crisis. These industrial production figures come in the context of other numbers that show the German economy slowing, if not actually slipping into decline. We have had recently poor numbers for industrial orders. We are seeing poor numbers for exports and also for business sentiment. The second quarter surprised everybody with a slight drop in gross domestic product of 0.2%, and that has economists wondering whether or not we might see another decline in GDP in the current quarter, the third quarter. If we do, that puts Germany into a recession. August is a very difficult month to assess. This year, it had an above-average number of holidays, which bumped up factory closures for workers taking leave and so on. Once that is adjusted out, the decline looks much less serious, but still the trend is negative. It's very worrying for the Eurozone that Germany is slowing, and if Germany were to fall into recession, that would be very serious. The Eurozone is desperate for growth, and Germany has been one of the few economies in a position to provide it. As the IMF's World Economic Outlook shows, global growth is sluggish, and that includes countries where German exports have until recently been quite strong, China and Latin America, for example. If that's the case, then the possibility of reviving German growth through an export surge, as has happened more than once before, are very limited. That throws Germany onto its own domestic resources and onto the Eurozone. The German government is adamant that you don't react to a few negative numbers with a dramatic change in policy, and nobody here is expecting any shift in the very cautious fiscal stance that Finance Minister Schäuble has kept to for some time. Where there is a bit of discussion is whether it isn't possible to boost investment, including infrastructure investment. Germans complain about the state of their roads and railways and also their waterways and airports, and would like to see some money go into this. And I think that if we see any more weak industrial and economic numbers, these discussions will intensify.